I'm back.
Okay, hello guys. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make this kind of shirt, how to cut it. Okay, this is it. We already fold it, and we're going to be taking 2 inch for this folding allowance because 2 inch for the folding allowance. So we're going to fold the front where the button is going to lap. So we're going to be folding it 2 inch. So after that we iron it. After ironing it, the next thing you do is to take your measurement. We'll be taking our hemming allowance for 1.0 inches. The 1.0 inches that we take, that we mark it. After marking it, we join the lines together. After joining the lines together, now we take the length of the top. So we are going to be using 30 for the length, 30 inches for the length. So we mark our 30 inches, then we join the lines together like always. You understand? Then we cut. This shirt is normally a chocoso material, so it not normally shakes. So most times you need to keep your iron close so that you can be able to iron it and let it manage for you to cut, because it does not stay one place. Then after folding the back side, you bring the front, you place it. Normally we keep 1 inch before placing the back. The front is always longer than the back with 1 inch. So we take our normal 4 inch for the folding now, like the joining allowance, where the back will be joining to the front, the shoulders. Then we cut it. After cutting it, we draw the front to meet up with the back. You understand? You draw it to meet up with the back. Then we slant. You want to slant the shoulder now. Then we mark 4 inch, which is the slant. So many people ask the way they are slanting their shoulder, but this is where I slant my own shoulder, and it has been working for me. So you do the one that works for you. So you slant it. After slanting it, the next thing you do, you bring it down back, then you fold it. Make sure it's an ½ inch on top each other, ½ inch. Then after that you iron it. Why I'm using the ironing is because the material does not stay at a place. You cannot cut it without the iron, because it will surely make you cut rubbish. So as you go, this is a collar neck, so I will not be taking that deep. So I take 4.5 by 2.5. You understand? Then while I'm cutting the neck, I will not be taking a very sharp curve. I will just say something like V. So as you can see now, I'm not taking deep curve. I'm just taking something like V, so that it will give us that collar pattern. Then see on that pattern, I will say next on my tutorials, I'll be posting a packet collar shirt where you cut it very soon. But first of all, we mark our armhole and our shoulders. After marking our shoulder, we join the lines together. After doing that, normally for marker, we are cutting the shirt, we must give 1 inch deep inside, so I can able to get a deep armhole curve. Then the chest is 40 divided by 4 is 10 plus 2 inches for the sewing allowance and button allowance. So that's 12 you are marking, and you do your armhole curve. Make sure the curve where you're covering it passes that one that you gave inside deep. Then you join it back to the shoulder line. It's just the way you're seeing in the video. I did not want to paint the shirt too much because this chalk normally stains. So, but just that I have in mind that we're going to be washing it with an hypo after doing it. So then you take, now see, note, you first of all cut the shoulder line first before you now take this deep part, so that you don't cut the back and the front together, because they don't normally stay together. The back is always bigger than the front is entering inside. Then we are also going to be cutting the hand now. Normally, this is the pattern I use in cutting my hand. Many people have their own. All I do, I take 4 inches inside so that I can get the deepness of my armhole. 4 inches inside, then we mark our 4 inches. One. After marking it, you join it together. After joining the 4 inches together, you mark. What we measure that time was 11.2. So what we're going to be doing now is 10.2. I always minus 1 so that if I do the cuff, you need to get to 11.2. Then the sleeve, it's 10. So what we are marking here is 10.5, 5 inches for sewing allowance. Then we added 2 inches for hemming allowance. Then we mark. The wideness of the hand is 8.5, which is 17. So we join the lines together, and this now I'm trying to get the curve. So we start curving. Normally you can use your French curve ruler to do this curving, but I normally use my freehand sketching. That's why I feel like that's what now waiting they make me feel like say I dey okay with. You understand? So just the way you're seeing the video, you measure till you get that 10.2, 11.2. After getting the 11.2, you cut. After cutting the hand, now you place the hand front to front. Front to not back to front to front to front. You will see the way I do it like this now. After cutting the hand, what I will now do, I will now open the material. Then I'll still open this other hand too. I'll open it. As I open it, I'll now place it front to front. You understand? Now I want to get the front curve, that curve we gave at the top. No, we put it inside. So I'm going to be doing the same thing to the shirt, to the hand. So we mark another 1 inch inside, then we curve again to give you this I would like this swimming, this wavy vibe. Then we cut. It's as simple as that. After cutting, now you're joining, see the cutting now, you join it with back and the front, you cut it once. Please click the link on my bio and follow my YouTube page and like and share. Thank you very much.